Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store error, that is something unexpected happened. The error code is 0xC0020036. So if you are receiving this error message on Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to make sure date and time is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click and then click on adjust date and time, and make sure date and time, the set time automatically and set time zone automatically is on over here. So if this is off, turn it on and then click on sync now, and once that is done, try to open store. The next step is to run Windows Store troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, then go to update and security, then click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooter, scroll down, and here you can see Windows Store apps. Click on it, then click on run the troubleshooter, and once the troubleshoot is done, restart your computer and then try to open Microsoft Store. The next step is to clear store cache using ws reset command. So just type in ws reset in Windows search box and then make a right click on ws reset and then click on run as administrator. Now here you will see a black window, so do not close this black screen. It may take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute for this black screen to go away. Once this black screen is gone, it will open Microsoft Store. So just wait for a couple of seconds or maybe a minute for this black screen to go away. Now over here you can see the black screen is gone and it's opening Microsoft Store, and now you can start using it. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, update Windows 10. So go to the start menu, then open Windows 10 settings, go to update and security, and then click on check for update. And once the update is downloaded, install it, then restart your computer, and then you can try to open store. The next step is to reset store app. For this, again open Windows 10 settings, click on apps. In the search list you can go ahead and type in store and then click on Microsoft Store, then click on advanced options, scroll down, and over here you can see the reset option. So click on reset, again reset, and once the reset is done, try to open Microsoft Store, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So open PowerShell. So make a right click on the start menu and then click on Windows PowerShell admin. Make sure that you're opening it as an admin. So click on it, then click on yes to allow, and then copy the first command and then paste it and then hit the enter key, and then run the second command, paste it over here and then hit the enter key. And once this is done, try opening store. Now still you're facing the problem, then uninstall and reinstall the store. To uninstall, copy this command, again open PowerShell. So make a right click on the start menu, then click on Windows PowerShell admin, click on yes to allow, and then paste the first command over here and then hit the enter key. This will uninstall Microsoft Store. So next time when you try opening store, you will not find store over here. Now after you uninstall, restart your computer, and after the reinstall, again open PowerShell. Make a right click on the start menu, then click on Windows PowerShell admin, click on yes to allow, and this time copy this command, the second command, which will go ahead and reinstall Microsoft Store. So paste it over here, then hit the enter key over here, and it will reinstall Microsoft Store. So you can try opening store now. It should be available to open, and that should go ahead and fix the error message. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case, follow the next step, that is run DISM and SFC command. For this, again open PowerShell. So make a right click on the start menu, then click on Windows PowerShell admin, click on yes to allow, copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key on the keyboard, and once this scan is 100% complete, run the second command. So make sure this is 100% complete. Then once that is done, copy this second command and paste it on the PowerShell window and then hit the enter key. And once this scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then try opening store. The next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So just type in inetcpl.cpl in Windows search box and then click on inetcpl.cpl. Go to the advanced tab and scroll down and make sure use TLS 1.0 TLS 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3 is checked. So any one of these, if unchecked, go ahead and check it. Make sure all four, that is 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 is checked over here. Then click on apply, okay, and then try to open Microsoft Store. Now if nothing is working, then you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 10. So copy this link. This link is provided in the video description. So open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. So click on download tool now. Once the download is complete, run the exe file and then you will see this screen. So agree to the terms. So click on accept, and then by default upgrade this PC now would be selected over here. So click on next and it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and the options which says keep personal files and apps would be checked by default. Now this is checked by default. So when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Then you can click on install, and after the installation you can log into your computer and you can start using Microsoft Store. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.